Friends, my name is CR Singh, and today I'm just going to explain you about the e-commerce. How the e-commerce is the next big thing in India. Friends, we know that India is the fastest growing economy in the world, and India has become a growing market for e-commerce sector. It is only because we are the most populated country, and the e-commerce has fundamentally changed the business in India. The idea of business has been changed by e-commerce. By 2026, an increase of almost 200 US billion dollar is expected. Just imagine how big industry it is going to be. And the main reason is that the digital transformation in the country is likely to increase the total number of internet users to 829 million by 2021. 829 million people will be using internet, and that is why the e-commerce is going to be the next big thing in India. And due to overuse of smartphones, we have seen a breakthrough in the smartphone sector, and thanks to the 4G network. Since the 4G network has come, this smartphone users have increased tremendously in India. So in the online retail sales expected to grow by 31% in e-commerce. So e-commerce is the highest disposable income and the highest convenience in online shopping, and the two factors are there, and because of these two factors, the first is the highest disposable income and the second is the highest convenience in online shopping. Because of these two reasons, the growth of e-commerce is taking place. Okay. E-commerce is the long way. It is very good to get rid with the middleman. What this middleman do? They simply take away the commission, and the prices of the product goes high. So basically, in India, the e-commerce is government is giving a lot of advantage to the e-commerce companies, and because the foreign direct investment, because of that also the e-commerce is growing. And by doing this, the middleman, those who were keeping the commission and then increasing the price of the product, they will be vanished. And one more thing, because the cashless economy, the country is going to this today also a lot of people, they are not using the digital currency, and they are just using the cash economy. So it is giving increase in money laundering activities. So online shopping is the smart way to handle these above two situations, like middlemen and money laundering. Right, friends? Then today I was just going through a website called today. This is called republicworld.com, and the topic was, I was reading about the digital payments in India. It says digital payment in India see 80% rise in 2020-21 as nation heads towards cashless economy. In India, digital payments have increased from 1,459 crore in first year of financial year of 2017 and 18 to 4,371 crore in financial year 2020-21. And this is due to the sustained efforts towards the digitalization by the government of India, and many payment applications, like Paytm, Phone Pay, Amazon Pay, your Google Pay, MobiKwik, Airtel Money, lot many are there, and because of their quite efforts are there. But don't forget, of course, let us not forget that mobile pay is also contributing in the same. Okay. So on August 9, 2021, Union Minister of State for Finance, Mr. Pankaj Chaudhary, in a written reply to a question was asked in the Lok Sabha, and he has informed that it is the policy of the government to move towards cashless economy and digital payment ecosystem. As per reports, the Indian digital payments industry is estimated to grow up to $700 billion by 2022. Just imagine. And friends, we are also going to have some part out of this $700 billion. In the future, the fintech industry, like mobile pay fintech and many more are there in the market already running, will innovate more dynamic, providing safe transaction facilities to develop and promote the digital payment landscape in the country. As you all know that we already applied the PPI license, and most probably we are going to get it, and maybe I don't commit, but maybe by next year, early next year, in the starting itself, we'll start with our own physical cards and other things. So the country is already advancing in terms of blockchain technology. You all know that it is an advanced technology. Cloud-based payments, cryptocurrencies are also coming into the cashless economy, and other payment facilities powered by AI, ML, and IoT. So users have shifted to net banking and other digital payment facilities to avail products and services. So this is how the cashless economy is growing, and mobile pay is a best platform, and I can assure you, you are at a very right place, which can help you grow economically. Thank you very much.